The setup of the cutter parameters is the most important step before sending a design to the cutter. There are many fill or outline types produced by a cutter. Paint lines, crystals, CAD, and stencil are some of the objects that are sent to the cutter. For any of these fill or outline types related to a cutter, you can adjust the cutter parameters accordingly. Using a cutter preset, you can adjust all parameters at once according to the material that will be cut. For example, if we own the edge cutter and we want to cut vinyl, we need to select the respective preset. This preset will adjust all the cutter parameters according to the material. We can also adjust the cutting options if we have already used the material and we know how it is properly cut. If there are different types or a selection of objects, we can adjust the parameters for each object individually. Paint, cut, applique, stencil objects are also produced by a cutter, so we need to adjust the cutting options for them as well. For example, for paint objects, we're using a brush instead of a blade, and the procedure needs special care. The speed can be set as full, but the pressure should be light. A good idea is to always perform a test operation when working with a new material that is to be cut. For any template that you select, you can see the already applied cutting parameters. And if you're not quite sure, you can perform a test operation. As soon as you adjust the parameters and press test, the cutter runs a test cut. If you're not satisfied by the cut, you simply adjust again and retest. When you are satisfied by the cut, you press apply and the parameters are saved for the selected object.